Atiku donates 50 million naira relief fund. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has donated 50 million naira as relief fund to support the federal government's battle against the coronavirus pandemic in the country. Atiku, in a press statement he personally signed on Wednesday, said his contribution will help form part of the stimulus package. He praised the federal and state government for taking precautionary measures in containing the spread of the virus in the country. Part of these, Atiku explained, includes issuing stay-at-home orders and shutting down non-essential markets and other places of mass gatherings, while also giving guidelines for social distancing. Despite the measures, however, the former president candidate of the People's Democratic Party asked governments at all levels to provide palliatives to the Nigerian people to enable them to survive, even as they abide by the necessary measures put in place for their own safety. According to him, a large percentage of our people do not have the financial capacity to withstand long periods of isolation and even lockdown. It is therefore incumbent on the federal and state government to provide palliatives to the Nigerian people to enable them to survive, even as they abide by these necessary measures put in place for their own safety. At an approximate 30 million households or thereabouts, the government should devise modalities to distribute 10,000 naira as a supplement for foodstuff to each household, among other palliative measures, with no one left behind. It is thus time for the National Assembly to reconvene in an emergency session, perhaps by teleconference, in line with the demand of social distancing, to legislate a stimulus package act that will cater for all Nigerian citizens. I also call on all mobile telephone companies in Nigeria to urgently develop mobile money platform so that the government can reach the unbanked with financial assistance. I also urge these telecommunications firms to offer each of the 100 million mobile phones lines in Nigeria free credit of at least 1,500 per mobile line, so that Nigerians who show some symptoms or those who have just want information can call the nearest available health facility or even an ambulance service, as the case may be. I commend all individuals and corporate organizations who have one way or the other provided some form of relief for the Nigerian people. This is what makes Nigeria great, when we help each other at such crisis times as this. Irrespective of any differences, I further call on more corporations and individuals with capacity to assist the public in these trying times. To this end, Prime Group pledges 50 million naira on my behalf as my humble contribution to a relief fund that will form part of the stimulus package. May God bless Nigeria. Atiku Abubakar, Vice President of Nigeria from 1999 to 2007. So my people, we've heard it all. This is coming from Atiku Abubakar, the vice president, the former vice president of Nigeria. What he has done first, he has taken the lead. So he's donated 50 million naira relief fund to those who have been affected, and to be honest, he has done well. He has done fantastic, because I cannot see what our very President Muhammadu Buhari has done. This man has said the truth, that not there are so many, a huge percentage of Nigerians that are being asked to stay at home. Not many of them can stay at home for a long period of time without they cannot survive at home without during this lockdown, because their source of livelihood is out there. But if they are locked down, how would they get source of livelihood? How would they cater for their young ones? How would they pay bills and everything? So he has explored all of these areas, and he has seen the need for funds to be released. He has even said something, Mr. Muhammadu Buhari. Can you hear this, President, Mr. President, sir? Atiku has stated here that a fund, at least a minimum of 10,000 naira, should be released to each household in these trying times, because there are so many people that this thing is affecting seriously. You're locking down the market, you're locking down businesses, and this is where these people get their daily earnings, their ends meet from. So this man is saying the truth. People, can we hear what's going on? But our own president has not decided on saying anything. He has not made available anything. Here he has pledged, Atiku has pledged 50 million naira on behalf of himself from Prime Group. He pledges 50 million naira as part of the relief fund. I really hope that this pledge, this money will go out for the main purpose, that it will not hang in the hand of some people. I pray, I really hope that it is used for the main purpose. So my people, this is the current happening. And also, if you've been following our news, Dino Malaye also he stated something that all the wealthy people should come out and help. He's ready to help as well. So let's Atiku is urging all the wealthy people, even the mobile company as well. They all have their roles to play. They can give free credit to people so that they can contact their loved ones, or even call emergency line if they feel any symptom or whatsoever. So that's it. We're just here to give you updates, my people. We want to really hear your take on this. We want you to comment. This is an interesting one that Atiku has done here. We really commend this. It's an interesting one. I really hope presidency will follow suit, and the politicians and those up there will follow suit to see that everyone that we will look after one another irrespective of our differences. He said that irrespective of our differences. So people, let's comment on this. I want to hear your take. I want to hear your thoughts on this. Let's please do like, share, and comment. I want to say thank you to everyone that have subscribed. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Do press on the subscribe button down below, and do also click on the notification bell. It enables you to get updates of all of our latest news as they come up. I want to say thank you once again for coming out here. Till I come your way again. Bye for now, and God